everyone, I'm Aika. I cover all things about life from skincare and beauty to travel and daily living. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys what's inside my bag since I will be commencing university in a few weeks and I believe that entails a different set of contents inside my bag. And so yeah, let's just jump right in. For the bag itself, this is the Loewe puzzle bag in small and the color is in caramel. It just has gold hardware. I really love this bag because it's really understated. And as a cute accessory, I just have this keychain from Pandora with a octopus charm. So I think it just adds a good, nice touch. And I love the blue. I particularly have something for the color blue. And I also love marine life. If I were not pursuing dance, I'd probably want to be a marine biologist. And so going into the contents of my bag, it's so dirty, but there is an organizer inside. I just got this from Shopee. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, there's an organizer that I just put everything in. Reason being is I don't want liquids or any ball pen or any stains to be staining on the actual cloth inside the bag, since it is lined with a type of cloth and it would just be very difficult to take out since it's a very delicate type of fabric. And so I'll just pull things out. So first I have my wallet. This wallet was given to me by my father 2 or 3 years ago. It's from Ferragamo. It's just a bifold with a simple coin purse and slot to put your cash in. This is super handy. The leather is like really stretched out, so it fits a lot of things inside, so I really like this one. Next I have a pen. This is the Pilot Opt 0.5, I think, yes. And reason being is I have a thing for ballpoint pens, especially when I go out. I don't like using gel. I use gel for note taking, but when I go out I like using ball pens because you never know what type of paper you're gonna get. And so if it's like a glossy paper and you write on it with a gel pen, it usually smears and smudges, so I like ballpoints the best for anything. They're pretty multi-purpose. Next, I have my lip color for today, the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in 130 Rose Velvet. This never focuses, there we go. So this one's really nice. It stays and it's very moisturizing. I finished like quite a lot of the tube. It used to be like until here, and then I used it too much while I was in grade 12, so I stand by this, and this is just like what, 350 at Watson's. Super nice color. Next, in the middle compartment, we have this white looking thing. This is actually hand soap. I use it as hand soap, but it's really just Johnson's Baby Wash in the rice and milk formula. I have a thing for body wash, and sometimes when my skin's irritated, I like using baby wash because they're so much more gentle on your skin. So yeah, I did not have hand wash because I use a bar soap, so I just thought I would reuse it as something else. So next I have is my nail and cuticle oil. I like having this just for any hang nails, and especially when my skin is dry. After a lot of hand washing and alcohol, your cuticles and nails just get really dry, so I like having this for like intensive moisturizing around your cuticle area. I actually got this from Lab Lacquer on Instagram. I can link her shop below, and I can also put it by the screen. I'm just not sure where. Just check it out. Also, I got these press-on nails from her. So together with my very first set, I ordered, I think, a tube of this, and this is still the one. You guys can order this together with your sets if you want to buy one. But I use press-on nails too, so that's why I like having this around. Next, I have, what are these called? Microfiber cloths for your eyeglasses. I do wear glasses, but reason being as to why I carry this is actually because of my boyfriend. He also wears glasses, and I think a few times he's already asked like, babe, do you have like the cleaning cloth for your eyeglasses? And sometimes I'm at home so I can give it to him, but when I'm out, I usually don't carry one, so I just carry one for him. This is specifically for him. Okay, next I have a card holder. So this one's from Secret. You can see the brand there. This is super old now, but it's a card holder with RFID protection. I think overall you can fit around 9 cards-ish. If it's a thin one, then you can layer 2. But inside, you can put 6 unembossed cards. And then you can only add 5 if they're all embossed. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, this card holder is super nifty, and there's even like a cash slot you can put your cash in. Yeah. I've had this for I think 4 or 5 years already, and I still really like it. And can we see a theme with the pink here? Goodness. Next, alcohol. This is a bottle I repurposed from a Biore hand spray, hand sanitizer I got from Japan. And yes, I do label things. I'm a bit of a Sheldon with it, but yeah, I isopropyl alcohol. And this mist on this is really nice. It's super strong and fine. So that's why I like carrying it around. Next, I have a first aid it's kit, but it's not a kit, but it's just bandages for those little cuts you get, and most importantly, like blisters that you might get from wearing tight shoes or like new shoes. I usually get them a lot, and when I do get them before, I never really had Band-Aid, so I like having these around because they're a literal lifesaver. So I have these. And the case is from Muji, by the way. That's like their card holder or some business card holder that I repurposed as a bandage case. Next, I have my relief medicines. This case is also from Muji. So inside there's Tylenol, paracetamol, there's also Newzep somewhere, and then Advil, and then I also have Alaxan at the back. So I like having this for when I need a quick fix, because my head usually hurts while I'm outside, and so I like having this to relieve my headaches. Next, I have my AirPods. These are the AirPods Pro 1st Gen, I think, yes, and then the case is from Shopee. I bought 2, but I just really like this one. It's like 100 something, or like 200, 300, somewhere there from Shopee. I got it over the pandemic, so I really like it. Next, ooh la la. Another case from Muji. The other one was in small, this one's an extra small, but I have chewing gum here. I just repurposed it inside. It's just more hygienic, I think, if you put it in a case, and it just looks cleaner than it having, or like it being in the little strip pouch, not pouch, but case that you get with the pellets. So I just like having it here, and it looks really nice too. Next, I have Vicks inhaler. With all the mask wearing, it's super nice to have this, because I think we all know that when you wear your mask, it can get very smelly to some extent, especially if you cough and sneeze a lot. You have to change your masks often, but when I do also get headaches from wearing a mask, I like having this to sniff. Next, I have what are these called? Silica gel do not eat. I got this like as a dehydrator for your bag. It absorbs moisture so that your bag doesn't mold. So yeah, it's nice to have. Next, I have a USB. I'm supposed to give this to my boyfriend's mom later today, so I just have it in my bag so that I don't forget to give it to her. Next, I have another pen from Cross US, but this is another pen I got from my debut as a gift from one of my dad's colleagues. It's super nice, and it's refillable too. It's refillable too, so it's nice to have around. It's also another ballpoint and a 0.5. I really like it. It feels heavy too. It's not good for like long writing, but if you're just gonna sign a few documents, it's pretty good. Next in the main compartment, next and last, I have my Ricoh GR3X. I like having a digital camera with me just in case there's something nice I want to take a photo of, or if I just want to take a photo of the people I'm with. So I like having this around. It's a very expensive camera, but it's so much nicer in quality as compared to other digital cameras. If you're looking for a really nice crisp shot, though the lens in these are pretty tight, so they're a bit zoomed in. So yeah. Next, on the side pockets, I have my AirTag. So the case is just from Casetify. It says Bon Voyage. And I like having this around. I think we've all seen TikToks about it, well, especially with luggages. So it's just very nifty to have. And you can see where your things are going. So I like having one in case I lose my stuff. And I also have these, what are these called? Like nail stickers for your press-on nails. They usually come off, from my experience, after doing a bit of physical activity, especially if you don't put them on right or if you don't do nail prep. So just in case, I like having one because I don't want the nail to pop off and it just looks funky, especially with long nails. Next, I have a hand cream. This is the Body Shop hand cream in Kindness and Pears. This one's pretty good, but I don't think it's the best formula. The smell is also nice. The scent, it has a nice scent to it, but it's not the best. I'm still on the lookout for a good hand cream. But I'm just trying to get through this because I don't want to waste the whole tube. And I also have a compact mirror for when you need it. This is the ×2, I think, and this one's just a normal one. Yeah, this one's from Women's Secret. I got this as a novelty, and I still have it. I think I got this like 6-7 years ago. I bought pajamas from them, and they gave this to me as a novelty. Yep. And next, I also have a rosary. It's just nice to have. I think all Filipinos out there will know that your mom will most probably tell you to just carry a rosary in your bag. If not your mom, or CL teacher, or a nun from your school. Next is a eye drops. Next are eye drops. Sorry. These are Roto's lychee eye drops, and these are in the number 4 strength. I'm sorry, yeah, number 4 strength, and I just like having these for when my eyes feel dry. Whenever I wear mascara, it's always a problem that my eyes get super dry. So I like having these to just freshen up, and it also helps in waking you up because it's a bit minty. Okay, on the last few things, I have my vaccination card. I don't think I need to explain my vaccination card. And then I have a spare mask. And then I also have a roll-on perfume. This perfume's from Zara. It's the tuberose scent. It's pretty fresh and clean. I like having it around. Yeah, because sometimes you just never know when you need to put it on, even if you have perfume already. And I'm not gonna show this on camera, but I have a few panty liners and 2 tampons for those things, and I like carrying it around just in case anybody around me might need one. And lastly, I just have a hair tie. So I think that's all the contents in my bag. Hold on, I think there's a compartment at the back. Yes, I just have a sample of Jo Malone's Mirror and Tonka 2 months ago. I forgot to take it out. And I just have spare nail glues that are nail stickers. I don't think they're the right term. I forgot what these were called. I bought this like ages ago. So yeah, I guess that's all. That's it. That's in my bag. That's everything. So it's pretty empty, and so yeah, I think those are the contents of my bag. A lot fits in this bag. Surprisingly, once you stretch the leather out, it gets very malleable, and the good thing with Loewe is it's pretty secure, and you can just open it up like that. And I folded this bag one too many times and it's still holding up its shape. I think because of the organizer as well, it helps hold up its shape. But yeah, I really like this bag. If you want to know how much it retails for, you can just search it up. I think it's around 170 plus for the small one. So yeah, that's it. That's all the contents in my bag. I hope you guys had fun and that you stay tuned for the upcoming videos I will be posting. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye! Much love!